Hello everyone, I'm Ajay Menon and welcome to another episode of Ajay Menon Vlogs. On today's episode, we're going to go strawberry picking in Mahabaleshwar. In case you're wondering where I am, well, I'm at Kavya Rachna, a beautiful property located in Lonavala. So here's a pro traveler tip for you. In case you don't have enough time or you don't want to stay in Mahabaleshwar, I would recommend come overnight and stay at Lonavala. Mahabaleshwar is only 3.5 hours away from here. So with that, you beat the Bombay traffic and otherwise the lengthy drive, which usually takes about 6 hours from Bombay to Mahabaleshwar. So without any further ado, let's get to the vlog. Okay, so I'm traveling today with my friend Jinal and my wife Shruti. Shruti, come on frame. Both of them have asked me to be heavily featured on the vlog. So it's their demands. They want to be very heavily featured. So yeah, I'm going to do that. Today's ride of the day is the Maruti Suzuki Ciaz. In case you're wondering if Maruti Suzuki has sponsored this vlog, they haven't. But if you guys want to, brand placement is right there. Let's go. We are about 45 minutes away from the farm, and Google Maps has taken us through this amazing location, amazing road rather. It's filled with villages and not very good roads, but the visuals are amazing. And I'm going to turn the camera now so you can see the beauty around us.
A few moments later.
Traffic jam because you can leave Bombay, but Bombay will never leave you. Now, I think this is more a gross negligence from the drivers. Hopefully, it should be clear soon. Maps. This is like big fuck up from maps. U-turn मारना चाहिए था. I didn't see you later. Alright, so we're finally here after a very long drive. The drive was because of traffic at the Mapro garden. I don't know why people go there. But we are finally here. Let's go and pluck some strawberries. Yay! This is my second time strawberry plucking, so I've become an expert now. I'm going to show you how to pluck a strawberry from a field. Let's go. Okay, you want basically what you want is a really red strawberry. So have a look. It's right here, and you just simply attach it, and voila, there's a strawberry right here. Okay, let's go and pluck some more because this is very empty. I need to get it filled up completely. Got a big one. Really big one. One-handed. Become an expert now. Alright, and if you actually see, this farm also has some amazing broccoli growing right here. There are some tomatoes over there, some carrots over there. So Lakshmi Strawberry Farm is much more than just a strawberry farm. Shruti, how many strawberries have you collected?
See for yourself.
That's a lot of strawberries, man. Awesome.
This is the flowering stage of strawberries. You could see small little strawberries here and the flowers.
It's a bit of spinach there. Popeye the Sailor Man. Popeye's secret food. So we're done with our strawberry picking. Some bits of information here. They also grow onion and garlic as a natural repellent to insects and bugs that come. So all these strawberries are organic, so no pesticide or artificial fertilizer has been used. They also grow some side crops, as I showed you: broccoli, tomato, chilies. All of that is for their consumption. And if you see over here, there's this amazing marigold flower over here. Again, it has a reason for it, because if there's a rust infection that comes in, the marigold flower first disintegrates, giving them the sign that there's something wrong in the farm. So it's quite amazing the way that these guys do organic farming. I'm going to just introduce you to the guy who runs Lakshmi Strawberry Farm. So, after plucking strawberries, I was fortunate enough to pluck a carrot at Lakshmi Strawberry Farm. After that, we also saw a tomato plant and a pear tree, wheat, and some other fruits and vegetables. So Lakshmi Strawberry Farms is far more than just a strawberry farm, as the property has got organic fruits, vegetables, and grains all growing in and about the area. After picking up the strawberries that was hand-picked by us, packaged into nice boxes by Lakshmi Strawberry Farms, we decided to head out and have some lunch. Now, locally in Mahabaleshwar, the corn cutlet and all things revolving around corn is quite popular. And of course, to top it off, Jinal had a strawberry milkshake. And while heading back to Lonavala, we passed through the Mapro factory. Now this is a brand new facility which is out there just before you hit the national highway. It was anyways time for my coffee, and we also decided to just have a look around and see what's there. We obviously did not have time to do a full tour, but I promise that we'll come back again and do a separate vlog on Mapro, maybe. You never know. After a fun-filled day, filled with agro-tourism and eating a lot of local food in Mahabaleshwar, we finally decided that it was time to head back to Lonavala. Wait ना, we cut करना पड़ेगा. After this cut. Bro, I'm vlogging. कितना साल होगा आपको इधर अभी ये सबको?
अभी 70-60 साल हो गए हमारे स्टार्टिंग से.
बराबर.
ये ब्रिटिश लोगों ने सब लाया यहाँ.
हाँ.
हमें पता भी नहीं था स्ट्रॉबेरी ऐसी.
बराबर. ठीक है फलो.
यहाँ से ले मीन्स हम लोग पानी वगैरह वहाँ से.
बराबर.